Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to make yourself a very easy and special omelette. It's really easy to make. Anybody can really be able to make this one. Usually omelette is something that is very easy to make, but today I'm gonna be showing you, how you can make yourself a really good omelette for breakfast or brunch. So I'm gonna need some fries, so that's why I'm gonna be cutting my potatoes to be able to cook my fries. I prefer to, make my own fries because I don't like the fries that are pre-made. So now I'm cooking my fries and then they are done. So once they are done, I'm gonna be able to put them in my eggs. So I'll also make sure that I put some salt in my fries so that they can taste good as well. And then so once I mix my fries and mix the salt in, I'm gonna cut my onions and bell pepper so that I can start cooking my eggs. So my onions and bell pepper are about done. So I'm just gonna grab my eggs. You can use 3 to 5 eggs depending on how big you want your omelette to be. So for me, I used 5 eggs because I want to show you a really big omelette so you can be able to see it. And then you put some salt as well. Mix your eggs. So once that is done, you can also put some spices, some seasonings. So I put my paprika and curry powder just because I like the taste of it. You don't have to do it, but if you have them, you can try it and see how it tastes. For me, it tastes good. So I start cooking my onions and bell peppers. So I'm gonna use some cooking oil and then just spread them across the pan to make sure I can put my onions in. So once that is done, you can cook your onions for about a few minutes, and then once they're about ready, you can grab your eggs and then put them in. So once you're done putting your eggs in, you start putting your fries on the top. So make sure you put them across the entire surface of your eggs, and then make sure you check in the bottom to make sure it's ready to be flipped. So once it's ready, you flip it, but I would recommend, if you don't know how to flip it this way, grab a plate and then put your omelette on the plate, and then you can put your omelette back on the on the pan. So this is ready. My omelette is ready now. I can eat my breakfast or brunch. Yeah, so go try it and then let me know how it tastes. Also, if you want to make yourself or your significant other, something like breakfast in bed, you can do something like this and they're going to be really happy.